Robotic vacuum cleaners in 2025 are smarter, more powerful, and packed with advanced features to make cleaning effortless. Whether you need AI-powered obstacle avoidance, ultra-high suction power, or self-emptying capabilities, these top picks redefine home cleaning. The Robotic Saros Z70 is a next-gen AI-powered vacuum and mop, featuring Omni-Grip arm technology that moves obstacles aside while cleaning. With 22,000 Pascal suction, flexi-arm riser technology, and Adapti lift chassis, it adapts to different surfaces seamlessly. Need a vacuum that clears clutter while cleaning? The Saros Z70 is a game changer. The NARWAL Frio Z10 is a tangle-free robot mop and vacuum combo, offering 15,000 PA suction and self-emptying capabilities. It adapts to hard-to-reach areas, making it perfect for pet hair and hard floors. Want a vacuum that keeps itself clean? The Frio Z10 is built for convenience. The Dream X 50 Ultra delivers 20,000 Pascal suction, auto-emptying, and mop self-cleaning. With 360-degree navigation and obstacle avoidance, it ensures corner-to-edge deep cleaning, while its detangling brush prevents hair buildup. Looking for a vacuum that tackles every corner? The X50 Ultra is a powerhouse. The EcoVax D-Bot X9 Pro Omni features Blast 16,600 Pascal suction, Osmo Roller instant self-washing mopping, and Zero Tangle 3.0 technology for efficient hair removal. Its AI smart navigation and hands-free Omni Station make it one of the most advanced robotic vacuums available. Need a vacuum with AI-driven precision? The D-Bot X9 PRO Omni is built for smart cleaning. The iRobot Roomba 105 vac offers intense power lifting suction, LiDAR navigation, and multi-surface cleaning. With auto-empty dock technology, it self-empties for up to 75 days, ensuring low-maintenance operation. Want a vacuum that cleans in neat rows with minimal effort? The Roomba 105 vac is a reliable choice. For AI-powered obstacle handling, go for the Robotic Saros Z70. If you need self-emptying and pet-friendly cleaning, the Narwhal Frio Z10 is ideal. For deep corner cleaning, the Dream X50 Ultra is a great pick. If you want AI-driven navigation and advanced mopping, the EcoVax D-Bot X9 Pro Omni is unbeatable. And for long-lasting, low-maintenance cleaning, the iRobot Roomba 105 vac is a solid choice. Which robotic vacuum fits your home best? Let me know in the comments below. Check the description below for best deals.